Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about cybercrime against women. So let's begin with understanding what cybercrime is. It is a form of crime which uses digital technologies, for example, internet or a mobile phone, and it is used to commit some crime. The area where internet is the area which is used is called cyberspace. Now, cyberspace is a broad term. It includes internet, electronic devices, storage devices, ATMs, and the laws which deal with such area are called cyber laws. So in India, we have Information Technology Act 2020, which deals with cyber laws. So the definition of cybercrime is a crime that is committed by using internet. Let's look at some examples. Child pornography or online transaction fraud, cyber stalking are some common examples. So cybercrime are divided mainly into four categories, which is crime against women, crime against person, crime against property, crime against society, and crimes against government. So today we will be talking about cybercrime against women. We'll begin by taking the case of cyber stalking. So stalking is when a person is consistently following another person over a period of time. It also involves behavior which is threatening, or there is harassment. It could be identity theft, and it is a form of any repeated offensive behavior. So the person committing such crime is called the stalker, and the one against whom it is committed is being stalked. So it could be done by sending emails or phone calls or chat rooms on various social media platforms. Then we can talk about cyber pornography. So cyber pornography is publishing, distributing, or designing pornography using cyberspace. The easy availability of internet has made it very easy to access and distribute such pornographic content, and it is an offense. It gets difficult to delete as it gets spread very quickly, and the content, the victims of this crime suffer a lot, as the content on internet is hard to delete from each and every website. So Information Technology Act, Indian Penal Code, Indecent Representation of Women, and Protection of Children from Sexual Offences deal with such type of crime. Now we can talk about cyberbullying. It is a form of bullying which happens through electronic means. It could include threats, sexual remarks, spreading rumors, and it is a form of harassment where a superior influence is used to intimidate a person into doing something in which he wouldn't do in any other circumstance. It leads to emotional damage too, like stress or anxiety. Now the next is cyber defamation. In this, the person uses any form of electric mode to defame another person. There is a statement made which is false about that individual, and it causes injury to the reputation of the other person. Indian Penal Code and Information Technology Act deals with cyber defamation. Sextortion is another crime against women, in which someone threatens to distribute their private or sensitive material on electronic device. In return, they ask for sexual favors or money or anything which is sexual in nature. It is a form of blackmail only. Then the other one is morphing. Morphing is when the user uses original photos, he downloads it and he edits it. So it leads to destroying of a person's image, as it is usually made into sexual explicit image. Indian Penal Code and Information Technology deals with such type of crime. Thank you.